Alright, y'all, so let me show you the clips. I got them from like Amazon. So I got a lot of clips because it's about, yeah, it's 2 packs in here. I'm probably gonna just use one. And I opened this a long time ago and I never used it. So I got this one and a whole other bundle that I didn't use. So, yeah. What is it? I don't know. It's the apple pie. Yeah. Well, it's the apple pie.
Look.
My glue gun. What happened?
Look.
You see me in the middle of recording. Gave me the wrong one, but it's definitely supposed to be apple. Alright. So we're gonna use this. And we're gonna measure and come back. Let me stick a glue stick inside. This is the glue sticks. Alright, the glue gun is hot. So we're gonna stick this in here. Stick the glue stick in there. And just let it kind of heat up. And we'll go from there. Alright, now let's measure the back of my head to make the first one. And I'm going to double the tracks, by the way. So here it is. I'm gonna cut this and then double it so I can have 1 or 2 right there. Double, and I'm just gonna cut that one. So I'm gonna get the glue gun, glue these together. I don't feel like using hair glue. And with glue guns, they dry fast. Like you gotta move with the quickness. Yeah, that thing dry already. Yeah, I thought, no, let me go get my hair glue because that's not gonna work. All right. Got my hair glue. Y'all remember when wigs first came back out and people was using hot glue gun to make their wigs? Lazy. And I really only have this glue for my lashes. I don't use lash glue, y'all. You don't secure you. I'm gonna just do 2 clips. I don't need no more than 2. Put this here. And they snap back in so they. I can't even show y'all. Snap in. See that? I'm trying to remember. This is so high school for me, like 9th grade, really. Nope. Okay, so I believe, I just hope I'm doing it right. So the part that snaps out, so I'm gonna leave this little line, that line, I'm gonna leave it on the outside. And then I'm gonna glue this part on. Let's see how that works. This track is jacked up, but it's cool. You gotta move, you gotta move. Yes. Hopefully I could travel with my glue gun. Maybe let it. One down. Remember, they dry fast. And brittle, so be careful. Lord, deliver me. It's barely on. Let me do it again, because I can't be traveling all the way to the whole other state. Playing games in the field. I'm gonna do it again. I think I got it better this time. I do not. This is what happens when you get the cheap stuff at Walmart. It don't work. I'm gonna get it. It ain't perfect, but it will have to do. So. Let me do some more and I'll be back. All right, so I did the second one, doubled it again, but I think I'm not doubling, it takes too long. And I'm going to use 3 clips because you want to secure it, because it's so long, you need to have one in the middle too. And I need to, with glue sticks, you gotta keep them coming. So you see that back is out basically. Once you can, oh, not yet, but in the next push I'll be able to do it. All right, let's try a new method. Let's try if we glue the glue gun or if we glue the clip, what happens? Let's see if it works better that way. Probably not good. This thing is drying already. Oh. Oh no, I think it works better if you glue the clip. You just gotta move a bit faster. Let me go back in there. It might bring your hand. Be careful. Yeah, it definitely works better if you glue it first. If you glue the clip first. So I'm gonna keep doing that. And remember, I am leaving this part on the outside, so you glue where that line is, this on the outside, so you glue the inside of that, because when it pops open, oh yeah, you gotta be able to stick the clips in. So. Okay. All right, so I just measured 4 for, I'll show you. So right here, I'm just going to stick this like right here. And I'm, of course, doubling. And I just made 2. So I can just kind of boom, boom in the back. Yeah. Use a glue gun and glue these on because I didn't feel like doing other things. So I just kind of did it piece by piece and it worked. So when I'm not trying to do it on camera, it works faster because I'm not holding it up. I'm kind of pressing it down on the counter. So yeah, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. I think I'm gonna have to open up the other pack though, because yeah, we're almost done. I was gluing them on the whole time. So that line right there, glue on that side. I did it wrong. So listen to me again. The line right here is where you glue. If you get this one from Amazon, I definitely will link it, but because it's easier. That's glue. I'm slow. I am so slow. I can't believe this. So I have to go back and reglue all of them because I tried to see if I can stick it in that way and I cannot. So please remember that line is where you glue on this side, where that little rubbery part is. That's the side that you glue on. Okay, so we gotta start all over. All right, this is what was left from that first bundle. And that bundle was already open. I never really used it, but I opened it and I think I chopped like this much off of it. So this is what's left, and that's probably gonna go somewhere. Let me show you. So don't mind this. I guess because she know your girl stuff from Alopecia, she thought she was helping me by putting this little black edge control, but I'm cool off of that. So, but anyway, don't mind that. So pop it open. Let me show you this last piece. Well, not this last piece, but the last one I made. So you kind of put it in there like a comb, snap it back in place. See nothing right here. Hold it all the way over, snap it in place. I made 4 because this one is really long. Pull it over, snap it in place. Pass one here, and snap it in place. Yeah, so this hair, I guess that's why it was so cheap and I never really used it. I think I bought it for some kind of braided hairstyle. I think I wanted like gypsy locks or something about here, and it never worked out that way, but so that's y'all tell me what it looked like in the back because I can't see. Six, I think the ends are really thin. They might end up getting cut like right there. Once I like comb it out and blow dry it tomorrow, I'll see, but here's the unopened package. It's an 18-inch. I wanted the kinky hair, but really, who dropping that breeder money? Not me. So I could move them at the top. Let me show you. So like there. And then I'm going to do pieces for the side. So I'm gonna make like 3 of these. So I'm gonna cut like 6 of them for whatever here, and then make a few there on the sides. So in total I made 15 clips. I think that is more than enough. Well, I hope it's more than enough, or just enough. So before I get on the plane, I'm probably gonna put these in. If not, I'll have them in for Thanksgiving. So I'll be back when they're in and I'm looking like somebody again. So bye, later.
Shame revealing this is all my fault. I'm in knee deep water and I'm drowning fast. Living life without you, I don't think I'll last. Come back to me. This is my heart's plea. Together forever we'll fix this. Baby, you'll see.
Trying to put in. But what am I gonna do, Jasmine?
It didn't work. Yeah.
Give him my music. What the heck?
Oh, that's Jimmy. So y'all didn't work out. Clip-ins did not happen the way I wanted it to happen. I didn't have time to actually. I didn't have time to really like figure out how to do them because it's been a long time. So I just put in like 2. No, I'm not talking to y'all. I put in like 2 and that's it. I'll probably try again in January. Maybe I'll buy the actual clips and I don't do them myself, but I'll be back when I second attempt. See.